How to manage interaction notifications on TikTok, such as likes, comments, followers, reposts, and other activity alerts. This tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, open the TikTok app and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Next, tap the three-line menu in the top right corner and select Settings and Privacy. From there, tap on Notifications to open your TikTok notification settings. Now, scroll to the Interaction section. Here, you'll find several notification options, including likes, comments, new followers, reposts, and notifications related to content you've interacted with. Simply tap on any option and choose whether you want to receive those notifications or turn them off. This allows you to customize your TikTok experience and control which activity alerts appear on your device. That's all it takes to manage interaction notifications on TikTok. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more TikTok tips, notification settings guides, and step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.